It's important to think of your kids the same way you would prisoners. They can turn anything into a weapon. Is cable railing safe for my kids? Today I'll be answering that question to help you know whether or not it's right for you. I'm Chris from Cable Bullet, and I'll be your cable railing expert for today. We're going to look at two aspects of cable railing safety. Can it be climbed? And can you get stuck in it? Let's dive right into the first question. Will kids be able to climb cable railing? The short answer is yes, definitely they will try and climb it. A properly tensioned horizontal cable can easily support a grown adult. With that being said, this isn't really a unique problem to cable railing. Kids will climb just about anything. Check out this child climbing a traditional wood spindle stair railing. Kids are adventurous little darlings. Ultimately, it'll be up to parents to watch out for that sort of behavior. The fear that children will climb the railing refers to the so-called ladder effect, which older versions of the International Residential Code outright prohibited. References to the ladder effect were removed in the early 2000s after extensive studies determined that it wasn't a significant concern. It's also worth noting that the railing we're talking about is considered guardrail designed for fall protection. Code that covers pool railing, for instance, which is meant to keep people out, has different safety standards. Now for the other question, will kids be able to get stuck in the cable railing? Now probably not, as long as your railing is within proper guidelines. According to the IRC, railing shouldn't allow for any gaps larger than 4 inches, and our recommendation is to have 3-inch spacing so that you'll stay well within those guidelines. Additionally, we also recommend having cable support every 4 feet. If you're following those guidelines, it's near impossible for a grown adult to get through, let alone the average child to spread the cables far enough apart to get their head stuck. Now, if your child is built like Popeye with a tiny head and enormous forearms, maybe don't get cable railing in that case. When it comes right down to it, we firmly believe in the safety of cable railing for all families, but we know that some may not be comfortable with the idea of horizontal railing, and that's okay. Maybe vertical cable railing is a better choice, which we also offer. We trust you to know what's best for your family, and in either case, the best practice is not to leave small children unattended on any above-ground deck, especially balconies. If you have any questions about cable railing safety, let us know in the comments below. Start your project today at cablebullet.com.